Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to transform my living room together. So I stay in a basic 1 BHK apartment in Mumbai in Khar West, and it's the most basic apartment that you'll ever see. The reason I took this apartment was because of all this sunlight that you get mostly in the living room, and it's not the most good looking apartment, but we are going to try and transform it into something that I would want to come back to every day. Let's go and transform my apartment, my living room together using the most basic things. I'm somebody, I spend most of my money on travel, though I do collect a lot of souvenirs from the countries that I travel to. So this will be a mix of a lot of things that I've collected through my travel. So let me show you the area that we are working with. This is my living room. So the problem here is this sofa thing is fixed with the wall. It's attached to the wall, so it cannot be removed. I actually wanted to remove this whole thing and get my own couch, but my landlord said that I cannot do it. So we have to work with whatever we have.
I think we're good to go.
The first thing that I wanted to do was to put these beige curtains. The curtains, just putting these curtains have actually given this room a lot more character. That's what I feel. And I'm actually very happy with these curtains. I bought them from Amazon for I think around 800 rupees for one pair. So 1600 for 4. This sofa and these side tables, I think these are so distracting for me. Like, I just hate them and I somehow need to cover all of it. So let's see what we can do. I've changed the angle so that you can see the products in a better light, because otherwise it's against the light. So this is the rug that I bought from Morocco. This is made of camel hair, and it's, I think, one of my prized possessions. It's completely handmade. Even these colors, everything is handmade, and the colors are natural colors. These are made using natural ingredients. So I actually got it for the floor. Like, I did not know where I'm going to use it when I was buying it, but I think this is a good cover for my hideous sofa. I have these cushion covers that I bought from Jaipur. The local market in Jaipur, they sell the best stuff for the best soft furnishing stuff. So if you guys are in Jaipur anytime soon, do check out the local market. I think it's called Babu Bazaar, or I will put the name in the caption. I'll have to try and remember the name. But I think I got so many bed sheets from them, bed covers, duvets, pillow covers, cushion covers, table throw, and very reasonably priced, and beautiful fabric too. So yeah, this hideous sofa needs a lot of cushions. This is how the cover looks on the cushion. Very cute and pretty, and it matches the curtain as well. Like, really nice, huh? It was not planned, it's just happened. I also got these bigger cushion covers for the bigger cushion, but this is actually way bigger than the cushions that I have, so I'll have to choose the other ones. This is also from Jaipur, and then I have another ones that I got from IKEA that I will show you. So these are the cushion covers that I'm using for the bigger cushions. These are from IKEA. These are beautiful fabric, and just look at the colors and the details. It's stunning. I think yellow and pink, this bright pink, is a really beautiful combination. And yeah, I got 2 of these. This cushion was for $3.99 per piece, and I think it's a steal deal, honestly. Very important for the side tables. I was actually trying to find some mat that would cover the whole thing. I ordered the rectangular ones earlier, but they were not looking as good. Then I got these round jute mats. I ordered them from Amazon. I don't remember the price, but they are very reasonable. I think $4.99 for 2 pieces, or probably $6.99 for 2 pieces. I'll have to check. So I'm going to put these mats on the side table. I think I have all the clothing for the hideous furniture in my living room. Also the main accessory now for the curtains. I'm from Himachal Pradesh and I was in Dharamshala recently, and I was actually in Dharamkot and I was at my friend's Airbnb, and I saw these beautiful dream catchers hanging in all his bedrooms, and I told him that I really need to get one. He actually sent one to me. Thank you, Vibhor. Vibhor is my college friend, and he sent this beautiful dream catcher to me from Dharamshala, and this is going to be, I'm gonna hang it on my curtains, like in the middle of the curtain section. Now for accessories, I'm somebody who does not like to just keep anything in my house. Everything that I have, that I put in my house, has some meaning to it, or I've picked it up from somewhere while traveling. I'm not going to just pick up a random thing and put it in my house. So very important, my accessories for the side tables. First accessory is my Adiyogi statue. I love Adiyogi. I'm into yoga, meditation, and I think I resonate a lot with Adiyogi. Just looking at him makes me feel at peace. This is Gautam Buddha, the statue of Gautam Buddha. This I picked up from the Global Pagoda of Vipassana, which is in Mumbai. I have done Vipassana. I do Vipassana meditation, and I am a deep admirer and follower of Gautam Buddha. These statues are not for religious purpose. This is more like I just look at them and I feel a sense of calm and peace. And this is just to, whenever I look at them, I just feel like closing my eyes and going into deep meditation. So the only reason for keeping them in my house is because I feel a lot of peace and security with them around me. Now let's put everything together, starting with the side table and the table mats. Here's my rug. Covering it and still not covering it. Let's do the cushions. Cute. Now let's just accessorize the side tables quickly. I quite like how it's looking, and now the final touch, we are going to add some plants. This is a plant holder that I got from Crawford's Market, I think for 800 or 900 rupees. And somehow I had a plant. I had no idea about the dimensions, but when I got it home and I put the plant that I got it for in it, it fits like a glove. Some things are just meant to be. Oh, this is my plant. Let's put it inside. The plant holder. See? Fits like a glove. Tenerife is basically an island in Spain. I was in Tenerife for 3 weeks and I had the time of my life there. So I got this souvenir from Tenerife. Okay, I have this camera which doesn't really work, so it's just a decorative item now. This is the sand from the Sahara Desert. I was in Marzuka, which is where the Sahara Desert is in Morocco, and I collected this sand. There you get these bottles and you can actually fill the sand in these bottles and bring it home as a souvenir. So this is another souvenir from Dubrovnik in Croatia. This is, I think, one of their religious books, and it just looked really beautiful to me, so I picked it up. Perfect. So much for watching, guys, and if you have made it this far, then please like the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope you liked the transformation. It was nothing fancy, just the most basic things. The idea behind this was just to show you that you can transform any space using the most basic and affordable stuff as well, and it can still look beautiful and still feel like home. Don't forget to comment if you like the video and let me know what would you like to see next, and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Thank you.